Guys, this is our first outfit, and this top is from Lifestyle and this trouser is from Pantaloons. Guys, this is our outfit number 2, and you can wear this outfit for small meetups kind. This dress is very pretty, you can see. So guys, this is our outfit number 3, and you can wear this outfit for small meetups. And this top is from Madame, and this purse is from Forever Glam, and these trousers are from Pantaloons. This color looks really very great, you can see. So guys, this is our next outfit, and this top is from Bedside, and these trousers are from Roadster, and these pumps are from Zara. So you can wear this outfit for normal wear. These are just casual outfits. Okay. So guys, this is our next outfit, and this top and this culottes are from Myntra, and you can wear this outfit for daily purposes, or we can say for formal also. So yep, this outfit really looks great.
So guys, this is the next summer outfit, and this is very comfortable and easy to wear at home. And you can also use this dress for dinners or lunch parties or friends meetup, and this is a really cool and pretty dress. Also,
And
you can
simple as well.
So guys, this is another pretty dress, and you can see the color of this dress is also very pretty, and this dress can be used for dinner parties, lunch parties, or small get-togethers, and this color suits every Indian skin tone too, so you can try up dresses like this. Guys, this is another very simple and basic outfit idea for summers. You can pair any t-shirt with shorts. You can also wear t-shirt like this, like it's cut sleeve, and it has a very beautiful collar neck. So this is one of the awesome ideas I got in my mind for summer outfit. So that is all.
Guys, this is our next outfit. This is the simple denim dress. You can wear this at any formal place or any meetings or small meetup.
Guys, this is black on black outfit, and it is versatile and a wardrobe essential, and it can be used for casual wear, for party wear, anything you can use it. It just depends on if you wear sports shoes, it goes with the casual look, and if you wear heels, it goes with the party wear look. So that is all about our video, and hope to see you soon. Bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.